Now, let's talk about why it's important to distinguish between accredited investors and qualified clients. The two types of investors will determine how much you can earn as a fund manager. With an accredited investor, you can only charge them a management fee. And a management fee is based on the assets under management, or AUM. In the industry, it is typical to charge a 2% management fee for assets under management. And again, like we mentioned previously, you cannot charge them a performance fee. You can only charge them a management fee. With a qualified client, you can actually charge them a performance fee. And the performance fee is based on how your fund actually does. In the hedge fund industry, the typical charge or the standard charge for performance fee is 20%. You might hear the terminology 2 and 20. It means 2% management fee and 20% performance fee. Now, let's take a look at an example, a theoretical example of what that might look like.